The Ark of the Covenant is another picture of the death, burial, and resurrection of Jesus Christ. Kung titignan po natin, ito po ay korting kabaong. Sa loob po ng box, yung parang kabaong, ay naroon po yung Ten Commandments, pot of manna, tapos yung Aaron's rod. Meron po itong cover, yung lid, at ito po ay merong dalawang cherubim magkaharap. Ito sa picture of the resurrection. Okay, death and resurrection. Ito sa picture of the cross. Yung kinalalagyan po, noong pong Ark of the Covenant ay nasa gitna ng dalawang bundok. Yung bundok ng sumpa at yung bundok ng pagpapala. At pagkatapos sabi ni Joshua, eto tuwin nyo, lahat na nakasaad sa batas ni Moses, with all the curses and the blessing, basahin yung lahat. Lahat na nakasaad sa batas ni Moses. Lahat ng mga commandments na nakapaloob sa batas ni Moses, pinasa po nilang lahat. Habang may nagaganap po na burnt offering sa Mount Ebal, pinasa nilang lahat. And Jesus Christ said, I came not to destroy the law, I came to fulfill the law. Lahat ng binasa doon. Okay, sa gitna ng Ebal at Gerizim, tinupad ni Jesus Christ. So if the Ark of the Covenant was a picture of the cross, on one side, Mount Ebal. On the other side, Mount Gerizim. On one side, the curse. On the other side, the blessing. It was a picture of the cross in between the Old Covenant and the New Covenant.